So today we are at Cannes Yachting Festival 2025 and we are looking for our future home. Help us find the boat of our dreams. We'll keep you updated, right? We made it. Cannes Yachting Festival. Let's find our new home. Maybe it's one of those behind us. I like it.
Das möchte man ja. Das hält man sonst mit Operation.
So that was the first one we looked at, and now we'll see about the second one. This ship, I gotta say, is not a boat anymore, is out of our reach. 100%, huh? Goes without saying, when we I'm not gonna buy the 54, we don't have to show you the 63 because let's not waste our time, right? Because this one over here starts at 1.4 almost. Yeah, so we stay with the 37, I guess. But is it the Swift trawler we choose? I don't know. We'll find out soon. After a successful lunch, nonetheless to say, feast. It was a feast. I would suggest we go and check out the second boat of the day, which is a Aventura 37 trawler. Or I mean, it's not the trawler yet. It's the Aventura 37 sail cat, right? Because the Aventura 37 hasn't been built yet, or hasn't been finished yet, or is not ready to be shown yet. So we will go and check out the second boat of the day, or I mean, it's the fourth boat of the day or fifth boat of the day, but one of the two we will show you today. Let's go. So we weren't able to film on the boat, but it's this Aventura 37 cat, which we might get as a trawler and not as a sail catamaran. So that was a little input from the Cannes Yachting Festival 2025 in France, next to Italy. And yeah, let's see if we find the boat to live on, our future home. We'll take you on the journey with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the most important thing.